Hi, friends. I hope everybody's doing great and amazing. I just wanted to share with you a quick video on how to take care of your brand new tablet. Yes, friends, a brand new tablet. Very, very soon, you're going to be coming to school and picking up this amazing tablet. Friends, this is the box. This is what it's going to look like. And let's just do a quick unpack so you can see what you're going to get. So we're going to open our box. You're going to see it has a little seal here. We're going to break our seal and we're going to open our box. And friends, be very, very careful. When you're opening the box, make sure that you have it with the tablet picture facing up. That's facing up towards the sky, up towards your face. Then we're going to open it. Here we go, friends. And when you open it, you're going to see your new tablet resting inside the box. And gently take out your tablet. And we're going to put this box to the side just for a second. You're going to take your tablet out. And it looks like this. Pretty awesome. Are you excited? I'm excited because this is how, friends, we're going to go to school so that I can see you and you can see me. So, friends, once you take out your tablet, go ahead and you can slide it out of this protective case. There you go, very slowly. And then on the side, friends, you're going to see a very small button right here. It's the shorter button, not the longer button, the shorter button. You're going to push on it and it's going to make a bzzz sound like a bumblebee. Then you know that your tablet is on. And friends, you can see it there. Now the tablet is turning on. So we're just going to give it a couple of minutes, or a couple of, hopefully not minutes, a couple of seconds for it to load up. And then, oh, there it goes. We know that it's thinking and talking. It's warming up. And friends, this tablet is your tablet. It looks a little different than our school tablet, right, friends? Because if you can see here, when you get your tablet, it doesn't look like the one we used in class. It looks a little different. So friends, when you get this tablet, what you're going to do is you are going to have it slide. You're going to slide up. Let me push it again. Sorry, friends. If like me, if you leave it idle and you're not touching it, it will go to sleep because it's tired. So friends, it is a touch screen. You are going to just swipe up. When your finger swipes up, it's going to say, this system will need to restart to complete the installation. Friends, go ahead and click install. We are not going to do that today because I want to show you some other cool things, but you make sure you do it. Then we are going to say, remind me later. There's your screen, friends. It looks a little different. Now, when you swipe up, you also can go to the pages here. There you go. Now you have all of your icons. For us, we're going to be using a couple of different icons. We're going to be using the Sora icon, which is our little guy right here. And then very soon, we're going to be using our Teams icon. And those are the two that we're going to be using. Now, friends, you do see at the bottom here, the G. The G stands for Google Chrome. And friends, that's how you're going to get to your iReady. So you will click on your Google Chrome. And there's our friends, the Google. Now, it says, whoops, how can I help? Well, something went wrong. So let's go back. Sorry, friends. Okay, friends, sorry about that. So we are back, and right here you're going to have your Google screen. And in here, you can then type in Fresno Unified. And there's us, Fresno Unified School District. That is us. And look, there we are, friends. And we're going to click on our Fresno Unified website. And friends, hopefully this looks familiar to you, those of you at home. When you see this screen, this is the screen. This is how some of you are still logging on right now. And look at, there he is, our friend, the brain. He's going to be helping us. And from there, friends, you just click on Exercise Your Brain. When you click on Exercise Your Brain, you're going to be seeing a whole bunch of other cool applications. And if we scroll up, right there, friends, it says Exercise Your Brain. And look, friends, there is all of our amazing icons. There is iReady, there is our Wonders, and there is our Go Math. So friends, look for the next update. We're going to be digging deeper to find out how to use all these different icons. And friends, also in your box, guess what? You get something else. Inside your box, friends, you are also going to get a charger. So it is super important that you charge your device and make sure that your device is charged. So you will get in your box, on this side, you will get the plug and a cord. So friends, make sure that you do charge your device and keep it charged. And that way, when it's time for us to get together and for us to share our amazing details, then you will have your tablet ready to go. Thank you, friends, for joining me in our short little tutorial today. I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon via our new way of going to school, the computer. Thanks, you guys. Love you and miss all of you. Have an amazing day.